Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a NeuroNation app. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NeuroNation app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NeuroNation, and if you find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.